It does.
Look at this nigga. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Hey, he got that cover though, don't he?
Yeah, you better.
He ain't messing around. He ain't joking around, Jack. Hey, what's going on now? Y'all welcome back to the Canon thing. It's a Canon thing. That's what we should name it. It's a Canon thing.
Yeah, but you don't want to say that every time.
It's a Canon thing.
You have to come up with something where we either start the video like that or we end the video like that.
Hey, now welcome back. It's a Canon thing. See, just like that.
Anyways, you guys.
It's a Canon thing. No. That's somebody else get there.
We are preparing for the snowstorm. And I'm excited. And it has started.
Well, it makes one of us, for sure.
Why are you not excited?
I don't care for the snow. I keep telling you that.
But what is it about the snow?
It slows me down.
From doing what?
Everything that I want to do.
But you wasn't going to be doing anything.
I
You're
might
off
want to
work.
drive. I might want to look at minivan, NASCAR minivan. This nigga driving like he ain't got no damn
That was
sense.
a woman, and
Oh shit, there it is. A woman behind the wheel. She driving like she ain't got no sense. Sorry. I got a thing against women in driving. I don't know if those two
oh,
go together. Is that sexist? I'm sorry. If it is, I apologize.
It is.
Women drive very hard and aggressive. I had to slow this one down from driving so hard and aggressive, because it's like we ain't going nowhere that really that you need to drive that hard. And so that's just my thoughts. I could be wrong,
Maybe.
but I'm not. And
Back to the snowstorm, though.
Yep.
So, what about the snowstorm that makes you feel like, you know, I can't do nothing?
Because it's snow.
But
and they talking about 8 to 12 or something.
Yeah, 8 to 12 inches.
So I'm just stuck in the house. I can't go nowhere. I like to drive and do a little sparks and, you know, make a little extra money while I'm off work. But with that, I can't do nothing. So at that point, I can't go to the gym. I can't do nothing.
And I think that's the the difference between him and I, is that I love being stuck.
Yeah, you be saying you want to be stuck to me, and I'll be looking at you like.
Because what I'm saying is, well, with you, when I say I want to be stuck on you or I want to melt on you,
Yeah,
it's because sometimes I just want to feel so close to you that I am just, we're like how we're one biblically. I want to be that. But overall, I'm excited about the snowstorm. I just love the way it looks. It's beautiful. And then I always think of it as, you know, this is a time to sit back and relax and reflect, because you just won't ever have this moment again.
I mean, you will. You will. It'll come back.
I mean, before you know it, spring will be here, summer will be here, and no, you won't have it again until the end of this year.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. It don't happen at December.
Although we did have 3 inches that came in November, was it?
Yeah, that was light.
Light.
That was very.
All right, you guys, we are at Walmart.
Niggas got bathrobes on.
And it is definitely, I don't know if you can see, snowing. Can't see. Clearly nobody needs peppers, but they need fruit. All of the salads and stuff is gone. L22. I know. So why are we over here? All the meats, freezing stuff.
Come on.
This guy tripping. Oh, people don't like ice cream these days. Yes, they do. We hold hands in the store. We were leaving Walmart. Couldn't get what I came in for. I know it's not a hot commodity. They probably just don't have it. But should have found my first money. Just went on ahead to Menards. But it's okay. My husband said we don't need it. So.
I'll keep you warm.
It is still flurrying and it's getting dark. It is very cold. And yeah, it's starting to stick on some cars that's been sitting here for a while. So we parked all the way down on that side. Sheesh.
Oh.
Let's go.
That little guy here, he be moving so slow and pitiful. He be moving like his damn feet ain't working right.
Riding in the car.
I ain't never met a generation of young just people that's just so lackadaisical to life. Almost as if things should be handed to them. They don't want to work for it. They don't want to have that go get it type of attitude. And I've never been that way because I wasn't raised like that. I watched my father go get it for years and years and years. Uncles and everything else, not just him. Mentors. And then when I met my wife, seeing her grandfather go and get it at 70-something years old. Not a young man, but just still having enough energy to go and make it happen. I don't know. That builds a fire up in me to let me know I got work to do. But these young people, and I would love to be a mentor, talking to them, but I'm not the mentor-ish type person. Because after a while, I get irritated and my words get short and curse words get long. Just because I don't have the patience for stupid stuff. And they might not look at it like that. They might feel like, I'm still trying to work through it, or I already know what you're talking about. I don't want to hear that type. And it's like, dang, I was just trying to give you a word of advice, but it's tough. It's tough being an older person in this world today. Because it's like you got to sit back and say nothing. They wasn't like that back in the day. It'd be a nigga on the street. You don't even know him. And he'll see you doing something crazy and he will tell you, hey, yo, what you doing? Cut that out. Don't do that.
Yeah, now these little niggas be
Don't do that.
beating up folks, old people.
Will take your life. They will take your life. And you wasn't trying to do nothing but help. Rob you and everything else.
Mm-hmm.
But that's a side note on something that we wasn't even talking about.
You know what'd be a good video? You blow drying and flat out in my hair.
I was just thinking about that the other day. I said, that would be the dumbest shit in the world if I did that.
Stop cussing so much.
Oh, they gonna censor you?
No.
I need sponsors.
Not even that. But, I mean, maybe. But you cuss. I told you, language.
Yeah. I curse a little bit.
A lot, bit.
But God is still working on me.
I didn't say that he wasn't.
And we gonna get through this one step at a time, like Jordan Sparks said. Yeah, I listen to Jordan Sparks. And I'm I'm still a man.
But don't you think that would be a good video?
Not at all. Next.
I don't think it would be.
Is that the show nigga? Oh no, that's the white. That's the white boy. That's a white boy. Not she driving. Why you? Is that a she? Lord Jesus. These girls be looking rough. Y'all need to take this thing back. She like she finna rob and steal and kill.
I mean, listen.
Yes, rob, steal. I know them the same things. But kill ain't. She finna do all of them.
You can't look pripped and prime all the time.
Yeah, you definitely need to be dainty though.
I'm not dainty.
You ain't her either. She like goddamn DMX cousin. She ready to run down on something. In the big car. Having the big fun. Yeah, them the old school joints. I just want one of them. No, I didn't. I didn't want one of those. I did think they was nice though. Well, come on then. Shit. Wait, man. Let's see. What's this thing here? Y'all know I'm old. What's going on, man?
Hey y'all, so this is the next day. It's January 5th, and we are still under a snowstorm warning for Snowstorm Blair. And as you can see, nothing really happened overnight from when we left Walmart, just a little bit. So I just decided to go outside and play with my dog for a few minutes, but it is freezing cold. When I say freezing cold, it is literally 21 degrees. Now, I know that may not be freezing to some, but it's definitely freezing. So here it is now. Nothing really happened throughout the day. It's kind of been the same. We had like flurries, a little ice. Now it is nighttime, and the storm seems to be actually picking up later on in the night. So looking at the radar, it looks like we're gonna get pretty heavy snow overnight. So it's a very gloomy night. You could tell it's very storm-like, in the sky. But I'm excited and it's beautiful, and I'm just grateful to just be here to witness it. So as you can see, I still see leaves. When I don't see leaves, that's how I know that it's enough snow. All right, so this is the storm coverage. As you can see, it is stormy, very gloomy out, super gloomy. There's my pup outside. It is so cold. I think my focus is messing up because of the snow. It's actually picking up the snow, and I'm very shocked. But it is cold. Looks like we got about 1 inch thus far. This is the winter storm Blair 2025. Happy New Year, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and close out this vlog because it's cold. It's cold. I hope you all are staying safe. Those are in the path of the storm. I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll wake up and we'll see a little bit more snow than this, because this ain't nothing.